Google Pixel 9a review. Affordable mid-range phone with flagship features. Meet the Google Pixel 9a, the phone that's capturing attention for doing a lot with just the right features at a wall-friendly price. If you're into getting as much flagship goodness as possible without blowing your budget, this might just be your next favorite gadget. Unboxing the Pixel 9a is an eco-conscious affair. It comes in a simple, environmentally minded box with just the essentials inside: a SIM eject tool and USB-C cable. While it supports a 23W fast charger, currently, Google doesn't sell one, so you might need to settle for a 30W or 45W charger from the collection. Compared to last year's Pixel 8a, which loved fans with its small, curved body charm, the new Pixel 9a adopts a sleek, flat design across the front, back, and edges. It feels just as premium, but looks sharper and more modern. Notably, Google has boosted its water resistance to IP68, meaning it can handle deeper dips without worries. The display gets a boost, too. It's now brighter and a tad larger at 6.3 inches, up from the previous model, giving you more screen real estate while keeping the device comfortably in hand. The chunky bezels remain, but the larger screen size makes the overall look more current. In your hand, the Pixel 9a offers a different feel from the more expensive Pixel 9. Although dimensions are similar, the Pixel 9 is noticeably heavier, giving it a more substantial head. Thinking about upgrade? The Pixel 9 is available around €585, just €36 more than the 9a, and often found at attractive deals. So if budget isn't the only concern, a little extra might get you a more powerful device. Curious to see how it performs firsthand? Our hands-on review is ready for you to explore while we continue testing this new unit. For those interested in snagging one, here are some of the best offers from our trusted affiliates, with prices starting around €549 for 128 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes RAM, and going up to €649 for 256 gigabytes. Perfect options for different needs and budgets. Check all prices and deals here, and stay tuned for more insights on this promising mid-range market.